In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your TikTok privacy settings, because there are some settings in here that you might not understand and that you might want to change. So what you want to do, you want to go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, then go to the three lines in the top right hand corner, then go to privacy. Once you're here, there are all of your settings you can change. Now, starting at the top here, we've got private account. Now, if your account is private, you can make it public by just enabling, well, if it's green, it's private. If you take it off here, then it is public. So if this is unchecked, your account will be public. Now, if you're under 16 by default, I think your account is going to be private. The only way to change it is by going to TikTok support and just changing your age that way. It seems like the only way to change it is by changing your age. So that's one way you can make your account private if you are under 16. So scrolling down even more, you've got ad authorization. Now this will essentially allow third-party advertisers to see your data off TikTok. You can uncheck and check that if you want to. Then scrolling further down, you've got comments. So here you've got who can comment on your video. So by default it's going to be everyone, but you can change it to friends or even no one. And you can also filter comments as well if you have words that keep appearing, which people keep commenting, which you want to filter. Then if we scroll down even more, you've got who can see your following list, who can duet with you, who can stitch, who can see your liked videos, and who can direct message you. You can change all of these, and I highly recommend you go through them and do that. But that's basically your TikTok privacy settings. Please do leave a like, and make sure you comment down below.